Hello, I would like to show you how to make tassel. What you need is a ribbon. You can make it as long as you want. Then you find a single strand. After you cut the ribbon, then you try and pull a single strand, holding the other strands together. You need to do this gently. You keep pulling, just keep pulling. You keep pulling until you get your desired length. It's all up to you. You can make it as long as possible. If you find it difficult to pull the first strand, then cut it again. You keep trying. Just keep trying until you get what you want. Okay? And as you're pulling, try to be smoothing the other strands together so they don't tangle. So when you think you've had the desired length, try and separate that single strand from the rest. And what you need to do is just keep curving it. Curve, and then you twist. Depending on how long you want it, like this one, I'm going to make it short, so I'll cut it again. I'll cut first, then I'll fold again, and this time around I'll just cut that single strand we've been pulling out since. I'll fold it into two, then you use that strand to hold this place together. Just have to be careful. If you do it the first time you don't get it, just keep trying. I had to do it several times to finally get it. So don't get discouraged. What you want to do here is to tie this thread is going to hold all of them together, all the pieces together. You can do this. Careful. Don't worry. You get it. The more you do it, the more proficient you become at doing this. So be patient with yourself. So when you think you have that, you're sure it's firm, you can cut it from the remaining ribbon. You put that aside. Then you look at it if it's straight. If the edges are equal. If they are not, you can just hold this and you simply trim. Okay, and then you have your tassel. Okay, with this one, just have your tassel, and you can reduce this if you want, if you don't want all this showing. And this you can attach to your gift boxes, even your tag. You can put it on your tag. Yes, and just attach it to your tag, and you put it in you attach it to a gift box. Okay, this color doesn't go, otherwise this will just be nice. And you have this, and you can attach it to a bookmark if you want. Anyhow you want it, it's up to you. Go ahead and just do different things with your tag. I'll show you a box where I put this tag on it. Thank you.